Monkey, tired of losing to king's pawn. Monkey, learn new weapon. Caro-Kann Defense. Monkey, stay solid. Monkey, survive storm. The Caro-Kann begins. Classic greedy banana grab. White want center. Monkey not impressed. Monkey prepare like tiger in tall grass. White take full center. Think he king of jungle, but monkey set trap. Monkey strike. Pawns clash in center. Jungle tension begin. White push pawn forward. Think space equals win. But monkey smile. This is how white overextend banana tree. Monkey develop bishop before cage closes. Monkey smart. Bishop come out before e6 makes prison. White try banana storm. Push pawn like crazy caveman. Monkey roll eyes. Monkey stay calm. Jungle has answers. Monkey say no. Stop banana storm. Equal space. Monkey hold jungle line. But what if white develop knight? Play normal. Monkey nod. Monkey play strong. Monkey strengthen center. Build walls. Jungle fortress rise. But now, what if white develops normally? White choose to develop knights. Monkey nod in approval. Game about to get real. Monkey say, okay, white, take center. Let's see what you do with it. White knight jump to center. Look big and fancy. Monkey unimpressed. Monkey, again, develop light square bishop early. Rule of jungle. White threaten bishop. Monkey just retreat calm, chill. Bishop live. Monkey don't panic. Monkey defend good squares. Monkey jungle follow-up. e6 to strengthen center. nd7 to prepare njf6. Monkey castle kingside and hold strong. But now, what if white trade early? White say, let's trade, monkey. Monkey laugh. Monkey know this path well. Monkey recapture with pawn. Now monkey has strong center and open c-file. This looks simple, but it's deep jungle position. White bring out bishop to d3. Human want fast development, maybe fast castle. Monkey watching. Monkey develop knight to c6. Monkey want pressure. Monkey eye e5 square. Monkey ready for battle. White protect pawn and try build wall. But monkey see weak light squares. Monkey patient. Monkey bring out knight to f6. Time to fight. Jungle almost ready. Monkey thinking about bishop pin soon. Or just bananas. White match monkey with own knight to f3. Now position look equal. But monkey has plan hidden in banana leaves. Monkey strike. Bishop to g4. Pin the knight. Monkey love this move. Now pressure build on white's kingside. Monkey say, pin it, then win it. Monkey jungle. Follow up. e6 to make center solid. Monkey castle kingside. Rooks come to party on c-file. Monkey poke weak spots. No mercy. Monkey summary. If white push e5, advance variation. Monkey attack base. If white develop knights, main line. Monkey flexible. If white trade early, exchange. Monkey stay solid. Like if monkey helped. Subscribe or monkey throw rook. Comment. What monkey teach next?